I'm commenting on every video who uses this sound. So this goes. Well, what are you waiting for? Do it. Hello. Welcome to the Under the Stove. Here we have free Wi-Fi and free food. It is very, very awesome. So please stay for my tour. Please, it's please don't leave. It's like we have 1-star ratings. So I'm trying to get better stuff. So here we are. Free Wi-Fi, free food, free staying. You can stay here for a week, but beware because Didi might come on some days. So just so you know, yeah, that might happen. It's pretty awesome here. Yeah, we got free Wi-Fi, like I said. If you're a single guys, you probably could get a girlfriend with the mice. Yeah, we're pretty good. Let's see what else we have. We have free chargers too. Yeah, a lot of good stuff. Okay, I'm back, guys. Okay, so you have free Wi-Fi. Please stay. We really need you to stay. I'm gonna kidnap your kids, and I'm gonna eat them. But first, I'm gonna dissect them and get caught. Come over now. Okay, so they also, you also have, no school. That's a good thing, right? Yeah. Come over now. Please. Yes, please. 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 Okay, that's good enough. Sorry, I was eating your kid because you're not wanting to come to my very, very awesome place. So yeah, welcome to the stove. Awesome place. We have free Wi-Fi 24/7, and also, our hotel is in Antarctica. Pretty good. I mean, it's under a fence stove. What are you gonna think about it? Not nasty. It's pretty nasty down here. Oh well. So. So I'm gonna give you a tour, okay? So first off, we have our very awesome, super good blobbly y'all. Yep, very good. So you get free food every day. Yeah. No. You're gonna take me. Love you. Ew, it is disgusting down there.